Educare Academy has been a way to success for science students for the last 3 decades. It has been a launchpad for many present-day doctors, engineers, and professionals. The faculty, from its experiences, has devised a methodology which has been helpful in the success of the students. The teaching methods have been kept simple so that students can easily grasp the concepts. The JEE and NEET exams have now been synchronized with the CBSE curriculum. Educare Academy is now organizing special classes for the preparation of these exams, and that too at no extra fee. Dr. Samya Gupta, currently at Max Healthcare, and many more like her have been our success stories. Year after year, the success keeps adding. Kulvinder Singh top scored in all government schools in class CBSE exams. He got admission in Delhi Technical University but left it before joining Indian Army to serve the nation. We welcome new students so that they can also follow the way to success provided by Educare.